We are ready for the snake. Getting ready for our project today. We need to make sure that we are safe. It's snake season, so we have to be careful. I have my snake guard here. I bought this actually from Amazon. It's the Koger. I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is our snake guard. It comes in pairs, so different colors. Mine is the brown one, or they call it tan, and then Jack has the camouflage. I'm gonna put it on. All right. You have a strap over here. So I like that being outside so that I can easily remove it. There's a strap also at the top for your pants. And then, of course, this needs to be at the front. Okay? So what you do first is you put this on. Okay? All the way there. I don't know if you can see it. And then you put your boots. Okay, make sure this is on top of your boots right there. Okay, make sure overlapping it like this. There, and this one overlap so you have no gap. And there, I can actually make that tighter, but you can adjust it later. And this one is going to go to your belt. Since I don't have a belt right now, what I usually just do, since I'm not wearing any belt, is I just loop it in one of the loops, right? Belt loop. Just to make sure that it doesn't fall down on me, okay? And then there's this loop right there, and I put that in there, right there. Okay, that's one. Good. Remove your boots. Your leg in there. Sure your, and put your boots. Wear your boots. There's my Texas boots. Alright, flap over there. Okay, make sure overlap. And then this needs to snap. Okay, snug. And this one here, again on my belt loop, right here. Maybe a couple of turns. Again. Oops. Okay. And you see this one? This loop right there. Okay. So that's how I want mine. We're ready. We are ready for the snake.